Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a cozy holiday season breakfast recipe. We're going to be making some maple banana pancakes. Now I've made pancakes before, but I've never tried maple extract in them and also with bananas, that combo. So I'm excited to see how good it turns out. I hope you guys are excited. So yeah, if you want to see this recipe and see how it tastes, then keep watching. For ingredients, we have wet. I'll start with wet first. We have 3 eggs, and I have just enough eggs left, so that worked out great. 3 eggs, apple cider vinegar, milk, whole milk, some vegetable oil, vanilla extract, of course. Also, I'm going to use butter extract, another little secret ingredient, because butter and pancakes, duh, don't they go together? And maple extract. Then for my dry ingredients, I have 1/4 cup of sugar. I have 3 cups of flour. I'm going to use a little bit of baking soda and a little bit of baking powder to help it rise. Some salt. Of course, bananas as well. Of course, some butter to fry because I'm going to be frying on a nice, getting hot cast iron skillet. Right now I have the heat on 4 out of 9, I guess you could say. 4 out of 9. So first we're going to start by mixing our dry ingredients together. 3 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Remember, salt kind of brings out the sugar and things. Well, the sweetness and things. So maybe just like pinch and then a little pinch. So I use this for a tablespoon. I don't have an actual tablespoon, but you get it. Not that much. 1.5 teaspoons, not tablespoons, teaspoons of baking soda. But I also don't have measurements for this, so that looks about good. And then I'm gonna take my whisk and whisk it all around. Okay, so for our wet ingredients, we have 2, I can't tell, but like 2 1/4 cups of whole milk. Because remember, this is gonna replace like buttermilk, the whole milk and apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna kind of replace that. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, enough. And now we're going to do our extracts. Remember, we have vanilla, maple, and butter. So start with vanilla. That's about 2 caps because I always use my caps to measure my extracts. I'm sorry. I'm gonna wing this. The butter extract, I'm gonna do a little bit less than the capful. This cap's bigger. And then we have the maple extract. And the maple extract, can I take this off and like use? Yeah, perfect. All right, so maple extract, since these are maple banana pancakes, I wanna add about 2 capfuls of the maple extract. I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And to me, I feel like you can always use apple cider vinegar for something, even if it's like for your hair. I have a video on using apple cider vinegar to kind of take off the, you know, alkalinity or lye, whatever. That's one like synthetic braiding hair. Lastly, the 3 eggs. I like to crack my eggs is come together. Whatever one's going to be broken first, it'll be broken. Which one of these break? Now this one breaks. Then the last one, since I don't have anything to hit it with, I'm gonna just bang it on the counter. Perfect. Now, just like we did the dry ingredients, we're gonna whisk all these wet ingredients. Not too much, because we don't want to overmix this pancake batter, honestly. Just so that it's at least still a little bit like lumpy, you know. I got 2 bananas here. Now, depending on how much banana you actually want in your pancakes or how much you want to top your pancakes with bananas, you might be able to get away with just 1, but I'm going to cut up 2. We have our bananas all chopped up. Remember, some of these will go into pancakes, and I'm going to save some personally to also top my pancakes with. But if you want to cook all of them into pancakes, then that's also fine. All right, guys, now it's time for the fun part. Let's start frying up and cooking these pancakes. So we got the pan nice and hot. We're going to add some vegetable oil. This is just vegetable oil. I just like putting in this little bottle just so we don't burn the butter. So add some vegetable oil. Then I'm gonna add our like little tablespoon of butter. Move it around, move it around. A nice little, like, you know, like cooking spoonful. Pancake batter. And then we're gonna add our banana slices. So they cook nice and good in the pancakes. A little bit more pancake batter on top so that it's just like not banana touching the pan. Pretty much just make sure you cover the banana pieces with the batter. Perfect. Okay guys, so if you can see, we have some bubbles and stuff on the pancake. I'm gonna flip it. Okay guys, so now it's time for the taste test. We have our, I'm just having one pancake right now. Save the rest for later. But I have our banana maple pancakes. I do have like some caramelized bananas in there. I'm also gonna top up a little bit of bananas myself. I also have some maple syrup to have on it because, duh. And let's see how how it tastes. Let's drizzle a little bit of syrup on there, not too sweet. Just a little bit of syrup on there. Yum. Oh, I'm so excited to try these. I'm gonna try this. So excited. So plenty of bananas, syrup. We don't need butter because we have the butter extract in there. See, nice and, I can see it steaming. Hopefully you guys can too. Oh my gosh, yes. Now, granted, you can leave the bananas out, but to me, the maple, the pancake and banana. You can see like the bananas that's cooking in there is like nice and soft. Let me get that in there now. Really good. I would so recommend these for like, you know, the night after, in the morning or whatever, like holiday or just like cozy like winter vibes. All right, so that's pretty much it guys. That's my little recipe on some maple banana pancakes. I think they're a great cozy fall holiday type of breakfast. To me, they're pretty easy to make. Usually most people have most of these things in their kitchen, so I think it's pretty doable. And pancakes from scratch are always the best. They're pancakes from scratch, like probably what grandma used to make, you know? So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.